So today I wanted to do a short video on mindfulness and photographing details like flowers in nature and having to stay close to your own home. We've been locked down since the end of March now, and I think it's a time that we've all had to look harder and closer to home for that beauty, and actually it's been quite an interesting thing to do. And I'm lucky to have this amazing back garden, and this year it's just blossomed suddenly into bluebells, which has been incredible. So I just wanted to share a little bit of my time and how I've spent it during lockdown and what I've been focusing on, and I hope that inspires you as well. I've always loved photographing intimate landscapes, whether that is flowers or grasses or shells on the beach or sand patterns, because it's a different way of looking at the world, and you have to really zone in on those things and really find them. They're not just presented to you as a wide landscape or as a scene. You're seeing things that other people aren't noticing. So I'm shooting at the moment with a GFX 50S and a 250mm lens with a macro extension tube. And I'm doing that just to see the results that I can get from this combination. Part of this is just playing and just experimenting, and I don't feel the need to create masterpieces, and I don't feel the need for this to be an amazing body of work. This is for me, and the experimentation is part of the process, and it's really important, I think, that we shoot like this and just see what happens and enjoy the process and not be too focused on the end result. So some of the things that I would suggest to you to help you along if you were looking to do this as well. The first one would be to get low. So get down on the same focal plane as your subject. And so if that's flowers and bluebells, you need to be as low as the flowers, essentially lying on the ground usually. The second would be to look for the light. So always notice where the light's coming in. It's such a fundamental. I often shoot backlit. I think it's a beautiful way. You get lovely room lighting. So I often use a really shallow depth of field. These macro extension tubes are fantastic for creating these effects as well, but you can use normal lenses. If you use f2.8, then that tends to work really well. And the other thing is, if you have a good distance from the subject to the background, that again, it throws out the background even more, so you emphasise that depth of field. So I hope you've gained something from this short video and it's inspired you to get out shooting in your gardens or close to home and just enjoy your time in nature.